Bro, what do you...
Okay, guys, and today I'm gonna tell you where all the buckcoin stashes are, bro. Whoa!
Move!
Okay,
Show me, bro.
now
All the
come down
buckcoin.
here. Or wait, let me get a camera.
Yo, buddy.
This
You
or
videoing?
yep.
Here, take this. Take this.
Wait, what? Let me just put out it. Okay,
Yeah, where
come over
are all the
here.
buckcoin
There's
stashes?
gonna
I
be
think
a
I'm missing
buckcoin
one.
stash on this little clam on his head.
Okay.
Already
Guys, come
collected
here.
it.
I know where one is. I know where our
Then go
buckcoin
over
stash
here.
is.
Now come over here now.
Pretty sure I know where every single one
Gonna
is.
come over to this little skull over here.
There's one in that skull.
Yep, it's over
Where?
here.
Where's it? Where?
Go
Why
in
should I
his
tell
eyes.
you?
Go in his eyes. Go in
You're
his
mean like me.
eyes. There's gonna be one right here.
Yeah, it's a
Like
really
right in
hidden
this
one.
little
It's like
spot
right
right
there.
there. It's gonna be dark.
Right here.
Found it.
You're gonna wanna look.
Thank you.
It was this cave? Yeah, I think it was this cave.
you where two is. There is
Wait,
stay there. Stay in there. Get back in there.
Yes, this cave.
Hey, bro.
Then there's gonna be a button on this little crab's nose.
Alright, first.
Here on this crab's nose. This little crab up here.
You have the one.
Hey, guys, what you doing?
Let me show you guys.
Yeah, I have.
This little
Hey,
crab.
what you
This
doing?
crab's nose.
Somebody picked all the cotton. How do you know where all these are? Oh.
You want me to just go? No, the good.
Come out.
Bro,
And
bro.
if you go
That's my coins now.
up on the blue ship or the red ship and go
I don't.
here
Yes, you do.
and
Let me out of here. Get me out of here. I didn't realize it was you. No, let me out.
there's gonna be a chest on the blue ship right here. Like right here. Then you're gonna come over on the red ship. They're gonna still be another chest over there.
Oh my god, how the hell did you...
Okay. Go through it.
There you go. Jeez. Someone open the... Sigma. No.
Then there's a chest in this little corner right here.
Open!
Okay guys, well that concludes all the places I know where all the buckeye stashes are in boat battles.
Look, you know if you're swimming like this, you can like
Okay.
dive down.